So we have come to the part na okay na. Nag-low tide na siya. So hindi siya overflowed. Just like before na it's like 2.5 meters overflowed. So the beach looks like this pag low tide siya. Pero hindi pa ganito. You can see all the seagrasses because it's a virgin beach, not the beach. Tingin nyo ko say hi. Yun yan, di siya naangat dito. So kanina 'di ba, na yung water hanggang dito sa taas ng ano, parilya ng So low tide na siya. You can enjoy the beach na. I don't know. We hope we can enjoy the beach. Nay. Tinay. Say hi. That's my cousin. I hope mga iba kong cousins nandito rin kasi ano, it would be fun. It would be crazy. Craziest. Diba? I love him so much. Say hi. Ohio. Now you've seen the beach. Now it's time for you to go home. Bye-bye.